Welcome back. My name is Brian with Airbags Unlimited LLC, and we are getting ready to test the BVR 400 digital video camera system that we did in the 05 Ford GT40. I'm very excited about this. I've never worked on a GT40. The install is kind of technical, kind of difficult, but this car is incredible. Very rare, very few are seen out on the road. This one has extremely low miles, gorgeous car. It was difficult, but it was also fun to do the installation. We're going to take it for a test drive, check out the camera system, the mirror, see how it works. Everything turned out very, very nice. The installation was good, made everything serviceable in the future if we have to do any upgrades or checking on the system. I like it. But let's go ahead and check it out. Let's check out the cameras, check out how this system works, and we'll take it for a test drive. Let's go. Okay, here we are back on the GT40. Found a pretty slick way to run the rear camera cable through the engine compartment. I'm going to triple shield it. I'm putting a electrical fabric European tape around the cable. Then I am doing a 1/4 inch flex loom and then a thicker 3/4 inch flex loom over the 1/4 inch just to have a triple heat shield protection, because right where the cable is going to be coming from on the rear camera, there's our muffler. So we want to try and make sure that we keep that camera as cool as possible. We didn't want to drill into the body, so went over it with the owner, drilled it into the license plate. So that's coming along good. Cool car, but I cannot stand getting out of the driver's side when I'm working on it, because guess what? I keep on running into that corner right there, and I have become very good friends over the last couple of evenings. So, next step, got the door trim panels off, or the driver's side. Going to do the passenger in a minute. It was different, but now what I'm going to have to do is follow that cable, remove the left front wheel, remove the fender liner, and follow the factory cable harness from the door jamb. It goes way up inside there. It doesn't go straight through. Not easy. So, working on that. Miss Kiki will be here tomorrow helping me. She helped me do the mirror camera last night. So it's just sitting right up in there under the mirror. Pretty sleek. Have not drilled it in yet. Drilled in later. Tomorrow, just want to get it there, get everything ran before one panel goes back on this vehicle. All the cameras are going to be tested. Yeah, these panels are not fun. So, yeah, we will be getting the front wheels off. But yeah, the back camera is already on. Driver's side mirror camera is already on. Front camera and rear view mirror are already mounted, very tight, but we'll have to put the camera up on the upper trim. This is actually a 7.3 inch rear view mirror from Rydeen, matching the Rydeen BVR 400 and cameras. So now we're just getting ready to bring all the wires together. Control module is going to go in the driver kick panel. It's only kind of safe, easy, serviceable place to go to where it'll be hidden, where the customer will still be able to get to the SD card to pull it out. Tomorrow morning we'll start on the passenger trim panel, get everything ran, hopefully have it buttoned up tomorrow evening. And that is it for now. Ooh, almost hit my head again on the killer overhead door. But that is it for today. Camera wise, I got to get back to work and run these wires. See y'all tomorrow. Okay, first we're going to take a look at the rear camera. A little bit different on this vehicle, just the way the vehicle is designed and what it is. We did not want to drill into any panels on the body. So we actually went into the rear license plate. It blends in with the state of Texas and the Texas symbol. Very minimal cutting on this car. Less is more on this particular vehicle. Since the camera cable is going to be running by the exhaust system, we did a triple heat protection coating on this camera cable. We did a European electrical tape, 1/4 inch flex loom, and also 3/4 inch flex loom to go and route through the engine compartment. If you look over here, it's kind of hard to see, but we retain factory cabling routes in this engine compartment coming up over here by the power steering and the radiator coolants bottles. Also, it runs over into the center, coming up through the center of the vehicle where the factory subwoofer is between the seats. Kind of difficult, but it came out very slick, very smooth. We're going to go ahead and start it up, jump in, get ready to take a test drive, check it out, and I'll show you what the rear view mirror system looks like. It's a 7.3 inch LCD monitor for all 4 cameras on the vehicle. Also, real quick, I'll show you where the left mirror camera is at. Just got done cleaning the lens, angled just right. Once the pod is installed onto the base of the mirror, the actual camera is adjustable. The pitch and the angle of the camera is important. We can adjust it so that the driver has maximum wide angle views before switching lanes. Pretty sleek system, and it's also set up on the right mirror also. Like I said, 4 camera digital video recording system. We have a front camera, left mirror camera, right camera, and the rear camera. So this will be one of the very few times I'll ever get to drive a car like this. So let's take it for a test drive, check out the mirror, check out how the signals work. Let's go. Pretty compact in here, so we couldn't go with the larger screen, but we did use a 7.3 inch rear view mirror monitor that taps in and picks up all 4 cameras. With the remote control, we can actually go and come into just the rear, the front, left or right cameras. I like driving, in my personal vehicle, I have the same system. I like driving with the rear camera on. It is mic'd up, so we have the microphone right here just in case someone comes up to the driver's door. Put the window down, it'll pick up audio on the system. And the remote control eye is over here in the corner of the windshield. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and click it to just pick up the rear camera right there. So I like driving like that. When you're driving, hit the left blinker, it automatically picks up the left, and then if you go to the right, automatically picks up the right. And once you come bring it back out of signal mode, it automatically goes back to whichever camera selection you had. So buckle up, let's take a drive. Okay, here we are doing a final test on the GT40. We're gonna go ahead and do the left blinker. Notice it pulls everything up very clearly. I can see everything down there, down the side of the car. Switch lanes safely. I like keeping it in the rear view mirror section only. We'll go back to 4. So there's all 4 cameras. Very cool, you can see everything. I'm gonna go back to just the rear. I like that in this particular car. If I hit the right blinker, it pulls up where we can see everything pretty clearly. We'll take it back off so that guy knows we're not switching over. Installation came out pretty good. The cameras look awesome on this car. We're gonna make a U-turn up here. take the vehicle back to the customer's house. Fun install. Took a while, but yeah. Okay, my favorite part of the whole installation process, taking this GT40 for another test drive. It's been fun, it's been great. We appreciate the owner of the vehicle letting us come out on site and do the final video for the vehicle. Love this car, it drives incredible. The camera system works great. We made sure all the cameras were clean. I can't wait to drive this thing again. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you like it, just hit the like button. If you want to see more vehicles coming up on our YouTube channel in the future, hit the subscribe button, click the bell, it'll update you. He also has a 2017 Acura NSX that we're going to be doing some work on. That'll be coming in the future, so stay tuned. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you later. I'm going to go take this thing for a drive. Love this car.